Plug in the USB cable and power cord. Long press the power button to switch on. Waiting for the machine to return to its position. Open the machine cover. Place the item to be engraved. Adjusting the laser module focus. Note, laser engraving is most effective when the focusing bar is just touching the engraved item. When LightBurn connects to the machine for the first time, create the connection manually. Double-click to open LightBurn. Click on Create Manually. Select GRBL. Click on Next. Select Serial/USB. Click on Next. 1064/100W laser workspace dimensions. Input R2. X-axis length equals 300 mm. Y-axis length equals 210 mm. 20W laser working area size. Enter R20. X-axis length equals 300 mm. Y-axis length equals 190 mm. Click on Next. Select front left. Click to switch off Auto Home your laser on startup. Click on Next. Click Finish. Click on R2 inch. Click OK. Connecting the machine, COM port numbers vary from computer to computer. Select the console layer. If OK is displayed, the connection is successful. After successfully connecting the machine, connect the next adaptation parameter for the software. Click to edit. Setup. Select Better for diodes, mm/min. Click OK. Click Edit again. Device settings. Select Activate Laser Ignition button. Activates the laser when scanning the border. Click OK. Click on the window. Select Move. Click on the Move panel. Power equals 2%. Setting the parameters of the engraving file. Importing the image to be engraved. X-axis position equals 10 mm. Y-axis position equals 10 mm. Set the width and height according to the size you need to carve. Select the bottom left corner. Go to the Cut/Layer page and set the parameters for the engraving pattern. Select Cut/Layer. Double-click to open the layer. Engraving layer page parameters. Speed, mm/min, equals 20,000. Maximum power, percent, equals 100. Different engraving speed and power for different materials. Constant power mode, off. Click to close overscan. Line spacing, equals 0.1, parameters can be adjusted according to the engraving effect. Layer mode, grayscale. Adopted one time. Click OK. Select Start, absolute coordinates. Different start positions can also be selected according to individual usage habits. Click on Frame to define the engraving area. Click the Start button to begin engraving. Cut layer page parameter settings. Put on the air hose. Connecting the air pump. Double-click to open the layer. Speed, mm/min, equals 200. Maximum power, percent, equals 100. Different cutting speeds and power for different materials. Switch on, constant power mode. Mode selection, line. Adopted one time. Click OK. Click on Frame to define the cutting range. Click the Start button to begin cutting.